Best cloud file security software. Cloud file security software is used to secure information stored within cloud-based SaaS applications. These tools integrate with cloud-based tools used to store and share files. Many companies will use cloud file security solution to identify files contain sensitive or privileged information. Once these files are properly labeled, companies can control access to the files, document their sharing history, and prevent unauthorized parties from access. These tools can facilitate data security by enforcing policies related or to the cloud access control and storage. Companies leverage the tools of implement security protocol, monitor access, and protect both information stored within cloud application and information transfer through cloud application. Administrator can manage governance, set permissions, and monitor the use of those accessing the application. Many cloud security products provide encryption and data loss prevention feature to further secure documents and data stored with the cloud application. To qualify for inclusion in the cloud file security category, a product must integrate with SaaS application and identify directories. Allow administrator to set permission and control file access. Document interaction with file stored within cloud-based application of or change to their privilege. Compare cloud file security software. Cloud file security user satisfaction. Has the product been a good partner is the doing business. Quality of support, ease of admin, and breadth of partner application are the top 4 factors that probably impact your satisfaction in the cloud's private file security products. These factors are determined by algorithms that select the attributes that are most likely to predict user satisfaction within this category. Has the product been a good partner in doing business? 8.8 out of 10 average. Quality of support 8.9 out of 10 average. Ease of admin 8.9 out of 10 average. Breadth and partner application 8.4 out of 10 average.